video. I've got to get this metal off so I can put a little 1x slats like these up here. But I got to cut this bush back. But to cut the bush back, I've got to get this bottom piece off. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Take my hammer and my bar and go for it. What I'm about to embark on here, I've got pictures I'll show earlier. I tore the metal off, and there it is. It's down to the bare wood, and I got some 2x4s to replace, but it's in pretty good shape. So I'll show you what I'm going to put on it, but I gotta paint it, kind of paint stain it first. But that's what it is. Turned out pretty good. I mean, I'm glad the frame was that good. So we just go from there. So that's what we got we're working with, and I'm going to start out here. I'm going to do it on time lapse. What I have to do is I'm going to dig this bottom one out, but that's kind of the lay of the land anyway, so I'll probably make it level, and then this just kind of goes down in the dirt. I might here, right towards the bottom, another one right here, which is okay. There's got one here, it's still good shape. And this one here, so I've got 3 of them. So I think I'm going to do is pull this one off, put a new one on there, and just work my way down. Clear this out so I can cut this out. I've got to lower this drainage that goes between me and my neighbor. And the other day we had, between 3 days, I think 2 or 3 days, we had 4 inches of rain. Some places of town, I showed 4 inches in my rain gauge, so I think we got 3.5 to 4 inches. But I got to get this cut out because I won't be attaching the bottom pieces to this bottom board. This is not, it might be treated. I'll put one up here a little higher than 1, 2, yeah, I think right down across there. First, I got Salvo, my favorite tool. I think I'm going to around the side of the house. I don't know how much you can see. The ham's in the way, but it's the front yard. Just nothing great. I try to keep it as the MG I'm going to work on. As soon as I get some time, I'm going to take the cover off, jack it up, put jack stands under it, and work on the brakes and whatever else I need to work on. I'll have it up in the air a little ways, not very far. Still got to work on my back, but that's okay. As long as I can get it done. And here's the backyard. Got a mess right there I got to clean up. Give you a tour of the yard here. Little hanger. Flag. I'm gonna push him through. Kind of pull him as I push him. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, too hot. Too hot.